Module 4, Lessons 17 and 18. This is a fraction times a decimal number. Your problem is 6/10 times 1 9/10. This problem can be solved two ways. So I'm going to divide my paper in half. One way you can solve this is to take your decimal number 1 9/10 and change it to a fraction. We know that 1 can be represented by 10/10 because we are dealing with tenths because we have 6/10 times 1 9/10. And we would write 9/10 as 9/10. If we add 9/10 plus 10/10, we get 19/10. Now we can multiply 6 times 19, which gives us 114. 10 times 10 is 100. We now have an improper fraction that we will have to convert to a mixed number. 100 goes into 114 one time, with 14 left over, which is our numerator. Our denominator stays the same. 6/10 times 1 9/10 is equal to 1 1400. Another way we could solve 6/10 times 1 9/10 is to change 6/10 into a decimal number. 6/10 as a decimal is represented by 0.6, and we're going to multiply it by 1 9/10. I have to rewrite mine vertically. 6 times 9 is 54. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 5 is 11. I have 2 decimal places in my number, so I'll count over 2 places to put my decimal. If you notice, my answer is 1 1400. This is the decimal form. This is the fraction form.